Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video on Cycle Fanatics. So this video today is actually, a lot of people have been waiting for this video. So I finally received my Freedom Shields windshield in dark smoke 14-inch. I got it and it's right in front of me. I'll let you guys see it in a second. But before we do that, we're gonna replace this one. I'm gonna go over the stock windshield, the one I have on the bike now, and I'll show you the difference between the Freedom Shields, and it is unbelievable. But like I said, before we do that, please do me a favor guys, go to my channel, click that subscribe button and click that bell, so this way you guys get notified of all upcoming new videos. And do me a favor, give this video a like. There's also a logo down below on the right. You could also click that and subscribe. So anyway, right now I have, it's not the stock windshield. Let me show you guys. It's not the stock windshield. It's a 12-inch from Harley Davidson. And you can see the thickness here. This is in clear. And this is actually the stock windscreen that actually comes on a road glide. Comes pretty much dark smoke. And this is the new Freedom Shield 14-inch in dark smoke. Look at that bad boy. Look how wide that is. So let me show you guys. That is unbelievable. Let me show you guys this way. So look at that windscreen, okay? How it goes in to the middle. Look at this one. Look at the difference. Look how wide that is. So now you guys get the picture how much it's about 2 inches higher, and look how much wider that is. That's amazing. And look at the thickness difference. It's huge. I hope you guys can see that. It's almost twice as thick as the Harley windshield, which in my opinion is so much better, because actually something flew off a truck when me and Big Guy were riding, and actually flew and hit Big Guy's windshield and cracked it, and then hit his helmet. So it definitely, the more protection you have, the better. So I'm gonna be taking off that stock one right there, not the stock one, but that 12-inch Harley Davidson windshield, and putting on the new Freedom Shield 14-inch in dark smoke. So stay tuned. All right guys, so this windshield is ridiculous. I'm gonna just tell you straight up. I've had the Harley windshields on the bikes. I've had the Clockworks windshields on the bikes. This windshield is like a car windshield. It's unbelievable. The thickness, the quality, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. Let me show you guys how it looks. Look how much protection that is. That is sick. And it does have the lip up on top. Super high quality, beautiful polished edge. And the thickness, I mean, you can't even bend this. Not like the other one where it's super flimsy. You can't bend this. This is like a car windshield. Very, very impressed with it. Beautiful. Fitment is perfect. And let me show you guys another thing, because some people were actually asking, Will it hit with 14-inch bars? Nope. That's all the way. You see that? It does not hit, and that's all the way pushing hard. So nothing hits. Perfect. It's super wide. This is going to be, I'm going to go for a ride right now. I'm actually going to go by Sandy's house because he's actually putting on a set of Vance & Hines Pro Pipe on his bike, as well as I think the fuel pack. So I'm going to go over and help him. That'll be another video. But in the ride there, I'm going to test it out. I'm going to put the stereo on, see how quiet it is, and see what kind of wind buffeting I get, you know, on my hands and also on my body compared to how it was with the 12-inch Harley one right there. That's the stock one right there. This is fantastic. I'm super psyched. Ready for New Hampshire. All right, say hello, Sandy.
Say hello, Sandy.
We got his bike over here, getting the Vance & Hines Pro Pipe, right?
Yes.
What else you got?
2-to-1, and we're going to put the fuel pack, FP3 fuel pack.
Nice, nice.
Yeah,
so that bike's going to be rumbling.
Yep.
So anyway, the Windshield, www.freedomshield.net. Use my code CycleFanatics, one word, to get a 10% discount on your purchase. Absolutely fantastic windshield. Beautiful quality. Almost twice the thickness of any other windshield that I've seen. Beautifully made. American company, American made. All right, right here in America, good old United States of America. So that's important to me. Fantastic, beautiful. So check them out. Links down below in the description. It's super wide, looks fantastic. Just called, still waiting on my air cleaner cover, still not in. Other than that, bike's almost there. So that's it with this video. Do me a favor, click that subscribe button, logo right there in the corner, click it. Also, you could go to my channel and click subscribe and hit that bell, so this way you guys get notified of all upcoming new videos. Check out all the links down below for the products that are used in all of these videos and on my 2020 Road Glide special. And catch you guys on the next video. Take care.